You gotta let everybody know who you are.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm from DFR.
Really? Hey guys, what's up?
Isn't that what you do? Look at this race car. It's
like
just a shell.
This is
his now. Ooh, look at that effect. What? There's something missing.
Camera girl almost died over the drill.
I almost fell over that. Oh, I didn't paint my toenails.
What the fuck? Really? She's like, you gotta look in the camera and see what you're videotaping, because they'll be like, oh my god, I'm gonna get seasick.
I'm not. I put my hands in people's mouths for a living. I don't do video cameras.
That sounds really weird, and people are gonna comment like crazy. So, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the YouTube channel. I got Mitch a Camaro because, and I'm gonna explain. You gotta point the camera to me when I'm explaining things.
I'm trying to. Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that. Okay, guys. So here's the deal. Mitch was talking about getting a V6 Camaro, and that fell through, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I was able to acquire a SS Camaro for Mitch, and this is a real SS Camaro. This is a actual V8 car, freaking SS, not Z28, not V6, nothing of that nature. It is actually a SS Camaro, and we're gonna build it. It's gonna be Mitch's race car. It's gonna be freaking awesome.
It's a 98 for real.
It's a 98 SS Camaro.
5.7 liter right there, boy. It's awesome.
It's not gonna have a 5.7 in it when we're done with it.
It's gonna kind of.
I don't know what you're recording, but you're recording it.
Know.
You're recording it all wrong. Are you giving me my camera?
No.
Oh.
We're going. I don't know where we're going.
We're still focused on the car.
Look, it went away again. Look, there it is.
Yeah. See?
Boom.
So, Mitch, what are your plans for this Camaro SS?
It's gonna drag my ass.
It's gonna drag your ass?
Yeah.
What are we putting in it? Oh, my 200,000 mile 5.7 liter engine.
Good old Red Rockets original motor.
Red Rockets original motor with new pistons.
Yep.
Okay, new pistons.
Probably the same old caps, junkyard build.
Junkyard, literally a junkyard build.
Yeah.
And my 78mm turbo system.
And we're gonna pull a Steve.
Oh God, we're gonna send it. We're gonna send it with Send It Steve.
Yep.
It's gonna be freaking amazing.
I'm probably gonna break the rear the first time out.
It's a Tembo with 273 gears. You'll be fine.
We'll find out.
You'll be okay. You'll be good to go.
I mean, we could turbo this thing with.
Do you think this car is gonna be ready for LS Fest in Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky?
Well, we still have Ghost.
Well, Ghost is not. Ghost is very close to being done.
I know that, but we're talking 2 cars and a whole
lot of other cars.
Yeah, a whole parking lot.
Maybe we could have Casper ready, even though Casper's not white. But I guess we got to figure out a new name for Casper, or for this car, not Casper. What do you think?
I don't know what we're gonna call it yet.
You don't know? I'll give you the weekend to think about it. All right, boss.
I'll let you know.
It should be a pretty cool build. I'm just happy that good old Mitch can finally get into the LS game and make some real horsepower. Mitch, what did you own before this car-wise? And tell the story about it.
You don't want to know.
What did you own before you owned anything else?
The only cars that I've owned.
Yeah, car-wise.
Any kind of fast was my Mustang.
And what year was that?
It was a 2000 with an 02 motor in it.
Okay.
It was a 4.6.
So it was a PI engine. Did it have a PI engine? Yes, guys, I know what a PI engine is.
Yes. But it was a Romeo.
It was a Romeo, okay.
So the Windsors had bad problems. That's why there was an 02 engine in it. It ran great, but I drove home from our old shop one day.
Yes.
And decided that it.
That was after one of our big events that we used to have back in the day.
And
big
I felt like
bikini car washes.
I wanted to throw a rocker, so I did.
You did? You threw a rocker?
It smoked. I snapped it back in. Sold the car. The guy's still driving it.
There you go.
And now I have this.
Well, this car is going to be a lot faster than anything you've probably ever owned, including your Harley Davidson.
We ain't going to start talking shit.
A lot of people commented on the last video. They're like, they'd rather have a sport bike than a Harley Davidson.
Well, they can keep what they want. I like a different power.
Mr. Mitch.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, shit.
Oh, you're in trouble, Mitch.
Hold on. I got to go get beat up now.
Neighbors are beating up Mitch at this point in time. So, my good friend Courtney here, she actually has a black Trans Am. We're trying to get her Trans Am ready. It's a WS6 too, and my screen's dirty. What the fuck? I'm trying.
I probably got my fingerprint fingerprints.
You've probably seen fingerprints this whole time we've been talking, but that's okay. Bear with it, guys.
Oops.
She actually has a 2002 black Trans Am 2001 WS6 black Trans Am that's getting a
408 stroker. It's gonna be carbureted instead of fuel injected. What? It's gonna be different, but that's okay. He thinks it's gonna be a 12-second car. That's what's funny.
We have a bet going. It's going to be a low 12-second car, probably like 12.2s. I don't think she's going to dip into the 11s at all. What do you think?
I think you're going to be in for a surprise.
I think I'm going to be surprised when it doesn't happen. You know what I mean?
You know what? Whatever. It's fine. Either way, both of us are getting beers. That's all that matters.
Oh, okay. Cool. All right, guys. So I'm sure you're wondering about the white Firebird back here that we actually just got done doing a full V8 swap on. This is actually the engine that's out of the SS. We swapped everything, literally the ABS block, the fuel rails, the fuel lines, the brake lines, everything into this car, and this is completely done. The only thing we have to do now is bleed the brake system. That is all that's left. Other than that, this car is completely finished. Customer should be picking up very, very soon here. So we'll go ahead and start her up. Let her run a little bit. That thing sounds good, guys. Look at that. Now, by what I understand, this engine from this customer was already modified. It had heads, cam, all kinds of stuff done to it. There you go, a little sound bite. I guess Mitch put the... Oh, Mitch fixed the latch. There's the latch that was broken. He fixed that. He fixed the tail light on here. So that's all working good, which is awesome. We'll go ahead and shut her off. She definitely needs tuning, guys. You can tell by a little bit of an idle issue that we have. We are going to have to tune this car. We're probably going to end up having this car on the dyno, so that'll be okay. We're going to probably put down some numbers. We'll see what happens here. Like I said, I don't know what's all done to this thing. I know it has aftermarket injectors. I was told that the heads are ported and polished. It does have an aftermarket cam, and the throttle body is ported, LS6 intake, all that good jazz. So it should be interesting to see what this thing puts down. That video will probably come sometime next week. But as for right now, we're done with this car. We're going to get it out of the shop because we have so many other awesome things that we need to take care of here and get done. Yeah, we're tuning a Cruise today. It's out there, guys. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. That's actually her car. It's Manuel. It's Manuel. So we're going to be tuning that car here in a minute. Plus I think I have a 5th gen Camaro coming in for a tune as well. But that's pretty much going to be the wrap up of the video. So what do you think of Mitch's new 1998 freaking SS Camaro? Real SS Camaro. That is so freaking awesome. What do you guys think we should do with it? Just put the 5.7 in it? You think we should do like a 6.0 swap turbo? I still got my 78mm setups in over in my box right there. And I also have my built 4L60E, which is also for sale. So just so you guys know, if you guys are interested in the 4L60E, which is like buried back here right now, or the 78mm turbo system that used to be on Red Rocket, both of those items are for sale in case Mitch does not want them, which I don't know if he does or not. This is a convertible, which is freaking crazy. It's going to be very easy to put a cage in, a convertible. But I also am selling everything off of Red Rocket. There's a lot of parts that are already sold and getting ready to ship out. But we still have a lot of parts left. We still have the wing. We still have the hood. We still have the sail. Yeah, the sail panels are in here. I'm assuming the seats might be sold to the owner of the white car. He might be interested in buying the seats, so they might be sold. But other than that, pretty much the center console, the shifter, that's all still for sale. The gauges, the radio, that's all for sale. So if you guys are interested, do me a favor and email me diabloformula@hotmail.com, and I will be more than happy to answer you back on what you're looking to get for this vehicle and give you a price on everything. And let's get this thing out of the shop so we can make room for another project car, which would be honestly awesome because this thing is taking up literally a shit ton of space. So it'd be cool to see this thing gone. And then now we just have more parts showing up. It's never ending here, guys. cars are showing up every freaking day. And he's wearing a Texas Speed and Performance t-shirt. Look at that. Holy smokes. Can you tell us about what's going on here? That's Sketchy Vert. Look at that, Sketchy Vert. Holy shit. He's not Sketchy Vert.
No, that's the shirt I won.
That's a shirt you won.
The contest they had.
What do you have here? What's going on?
I'm bringing you some goodies.
We don't have time. We got too much work to do. Sorry.
Yeah, well, too bad. I got a week, so.
You got a week? Yeah, we got like 3 months worth of work.
Yeah, he'll do it in
Oh, Mitch will do it.
3 hours.
Mitch will do it in 3 hours. He says he's like Mitch will do it in 3 hours. So what do we got here, boss? What do we got going on here from Texas Speed and Performance?
A big old fat cam.
Wow, check that out.
Some dual springs.
A belt, AC belt, and a regular belt.
Chromoly push rods.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
25% lower.
Look at that.
Oh, this crap.
It's more work.
Lovely gaskets.
Oh wow, they sent
If
you
want the cam
gaskets.
specs.
Oh, there's the cam specs for the Texas Speed. 231, 234, 629, 6. That's a big cam, dude.
That sounds like I'm doing a lot.
On a 111 LSA, are you fucking joking me? Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy nuts. So I guess we're doing a cam job on a what? 05 GTO?
Yes, sir.
Oh god.
Same one we did the intake on.
This is gonna suck. If you guys don't remember, this is the same GTO that we had on the dyno and showed the cold air inductions intake setup compared to the Acme intake setup, and it gained what? 10 horsepower? 4 horsepower?
Yeah, 5-ish.
5 or 6 horsepower gain just on dyno poles, which is pretty awesome. So now we're doing a cam swap on.
On shitty plugs, now I got the right plugs in there.
Well, now we're gonna make sure we have the right plugs in it for sure.
They're in it now.
So it should be pretty interesting, guys. Pretty damn interesting. So maybe we'll make a video of that. I don't know. We'll see. I have a whole lot of stuff coming in this week.
Yeah, that's cool.
Plus, I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to finish up here this week. So
You get to, you know.
we'll try our best, but no. Oh God, you're looking at me like I'm all messed up and shit.
I'm just watching.
It should be an interesting upcoming week. I will tell you guys that we have a
going on.
whole bunch of big surprises coming this upcoming week. A whole bunch of really good videos. So keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, and you guys will not be disappointed. As always, follow me on Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Grant, do you want to do deuces?
Sure. Deuces.